Hello, my name is Radhesh, and today for the AI for Bharat Hackathon under the track AI for Learning and Developer Productivity, I'm presenting my project CheckDK. Today, most modern applications are deployed using Docker and Kubernetes, where configuration files define how containers run, communicate, and scale. However, these configurations can become quite complex, and even small mistakes like code conflicts, missing resource limits, or security misconfigurations can lead to unstable deployments or service failures. At the same time, Kubernetes pod failures are usually detected only after they happen, forcing developers to reactively debug issues that could have been prevented earlier. So the core problem is at the lack of an intelligent system that can analyze infrastructure configurations beforehand and proactively predict potential pod failures using machine learning, enabling developers to identify risks early and improve reliability before deployment. And now I would like to hand it over to Dhanush, who will be explaining the solution to the problem.
Hello guys, my name is Dhanush Shenoy H and I will be talking about the solution as well as walking you through the demo. So let's dive in. The solution that we have come up with is proactive monitoring and prediction of cluster failures so that DevOps engineers can prevent cluster failures even before they occur, thereby saving themselves a lot of time and headache. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to the ML Models tab and check out our pod failure detection feature based on system metrics. At the time, we are using random forest since it has the highest accuracy. Once you're done, you can move on to the Playgrounds tab where you can upload your config file to check if it will fail and if it does, how to fix it. On the next, we'll have the History tab which will contain the history of all the analysis. Next, let's move on to the CLI. To install the CheckDK CLI, you can do it using pipex or npm. In this video, we will go with pipex. After installation, you can authenticate. You need to authenticate using CheckDK auth login, and once you are done, you can get started with a few commands. First, we can run CheckDK version to get the latest version, which is 0.2.9 at the moment. Next, we can try out the CheckDK predict command to predict cluster failures based on given system metrics. After that, we can try out CheckDK monitor to get real-time monitoring and predict cluster failures. In another tab, let's run CheckDK chaos and check if proactive monitoring predicts failure. And it did. It predicts failure. So CheckDK now you can predict cluster failures before they even occur. CheckDK aims to evolve into an AI-powered DevOps copilot that predicts, explains, and automatically prevents infrastructure failures across multi-cloud environments.